$1,600 is the quote I got to finish this ceiling. The second quote, the guy didn't even show up. He was a no-call, no-show. So in front of me, I have the material. I purchased it for less than $100. I went on YouTube and I watched some videos on how to mud and finish. And I've never done this before, but I think that it's worth $1,600 to learn how to do it and only spending $100 for the material. I forgot to record, so I do apologize. I kind of just jumped right into it yesterday. I have the first layer of mudding done and all the taping done. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all of that I did yesterday, and then what we have left is 2 layers of mud and then sanding. So let's get right into it. This drywall was hanging down. We weren't able to anchor it up to the stud. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I put the tape on. Alright, so I have completed all of the mudding and sanding. Now we're going to jump right into some primer and paint. Alright, so that wraps up this project. I did the painting as a bonus. That would come in at around $1,000 to pay someone to paint for me, plus the $1,600 to finish the drywall. So we're at $2,600 that it would cost to do what I just did, and I did it in 5 days. So very happy with the results. I'm going to go ahead and show them to you, and thank you so much for watching. And one last thing before you go, if you're curious to why is there 2 refrigerators behind me, that's because these are going to be the start of the first side hustle I do out of this space. If this interests you, please stay tuned. I have content coming very shortly.